Guys, ano, nagpapa-replace sila ng ano? Magkano kaya yan? Tanungin ko. Hey bro! You on call? How much you for the bulb? 280? Including installation? 280? Do you have right now bulb? Come, see it, look. I want it to replace.
Oh, okay, okay. Yeah, yeah.
I have a vlog, it's not okay vlog. I'm a vlogger, okay, tracker. So, do you have bulb right now in that?
Yeah, yeah. Yeah.
280 including the
Everything, yeah.
installation. How long it will take?
Maybe half an hour.
Sure.
Yeah, yeah.
I want to replace it. I have to remove everything and then
Yeah,
replace it.
Yeah, yeah.
Okay. Okay.
Let me finish that one.
And then you come here?
Yeah.
Okay, for sure. Alright guys, nakuha tayo ng good deal. Ah! Can you give me a discount? 250. What is this? Okay, finish that and they'll come here. Okay, good thing guys. Ipatira na natin to para magpapalit na ako ng ano, ng ayun oh. 280 including ano? Mura pala. Tanggalin ko itong mga abu-abubot ko rito. Basta ganun eh. Okay guys, tanggalin natin to. Ang dikit pala nito. Ah, grabe dikit nito. Oh. Alright. Tapos dito ko lang muna yung mga abu-abubot ko rito. Yan. Tanggalin natin itong mga abu-abubot. Abu-abubot. Kailangan ko to kasi pandikit ng ano ko to guys eh. Kunin ko yung kutsilyo ko. Alright. 30 minutes lang daw yung ano, okay na. 280 kasama na installation. Mura na rin yan. Kasi yung iba ano eh, nasa 600 yan guys eh. So dito ko lang muna mga abu-abubot. Alright, so tanggalin natin lahat yan para sa ganun eh. Kailangan ko to eh, hindi pwedeng iwanan ito kasi kapag ito ano hindi na ako makakatawid ng US na ano, magbabayad na naman ako nito. Ay pass ko to dun. Oh, hindi na ano lang pala yung ano, pandikit. Hindi, ayaw mo na lang ganyan. Marami naman akong pandikit na ganyan eh. Let's do it. I remove everything. What are you taking? You taking
I'll take a
credit card. I don't have any cash. Credit card.
I'll take
Debit.
e-transfer.
Oh, e-transfer?
Yeah.
Okay, I will. I'm just gonna remove everything and then
Okay.
yeah. Titirahin na niya. Ay! Teka, baka mamaya eh. Minsan naglalak yan kaya kailangan anuin ko pa eh. May pangtungkab ako rito eh. Ano na to guys? Raw vlog na to. I gonna Ayan, minsan naglalak kasi dito. Pero minsan okay naman. Pero minsan pagka hindi natanggal, ito kasi nagkakaproblema to eh. Pagka naglock siyang gano'n, no? Kailangan mong pisilin ito para itong kabin niya. Yan. Alright, patira na natin to. You just repair that or it's brand new?
Brand new.
Brand new? You gonna check out the YouTube
Okay. I have my channel too.
You have channel too?
Yeah.
Okay. Then tell me.
I'll give you the name.
Oh, you give me the name, okay. What is your company name?
GTB.
You own?
Yeah, yeah.
You own this company?
Yeah, yeah. GTB Autograph.
UTB Autoglass? You have the guys, if you want, he is on call. You're on call?
Yeah, yeah.
Anywhere, that's a good thing.
We're in GTA.
Anywhere in Ontario?
Yeah.
Okay. GTB Autoglass Car and Truck Windshield Emission Test at 1905-872-3330 his number. What's your name?
Harry.
Hari?
Yeah.
Hari, okay. You take everything? Okay. Hold on. Let me remove the thing in the windshield and then
Yeah.
you can start now. Yung basura ko. Nagluto ako ng ano eh. Nagluluto tayo kanina ng alright. Nagluto tayo kanina ng lumo. Yung mga ano ko rito, kalat-kalat ko. Itabi ko lang muna para hindi niya hindi interference diyan sa kanyang ano. Good thing. Ganun din naman kasi na ipapaano ko to eh. Kapag ma-inspection tayo, mahuli tayo dyan. Baka ano.
So he go.
Eh?
You see that? I don't think so. He can park.
In the other side there?
There's lots of parking here.
Oh, is another Turk? Oh yeah, it's Turk. So what he has to do, it's supposed to be he can go in there and back. Okay, I can help you. Okay. Oh, that's how it is. Easy, huh?
Yep.
How long you been doing this?
5 years.
5 years? And then you experience too much. Okay. So what is that you putting? Greasing?
No, it's just lube.
Ah, lube, okay. And go in the other side, okay. I-interact ko sa kanya yung bayad. Ganun lang oh. Easy peasy. Oh. Oh wow. You expert, ah? And that's it? You have the thing? You need it? Okay. Okay. Okay guys, titirahin na niya. Saglitan lang, 30 minutes daw eh. Sa baba, sa baba. You make careful, okay? Patira na natin yan. Easy peasy. Ito ay papalit ah. Okay, so you have to put first? All right. Puntik lang eh. Yeah.
2026.
What's that?
It's too big.
Oh, the new Volvo 2026 is not fit in this.
No, it's not.
Oh, mine is not 2026. It's okay.
No, it's not 2026.
Oh, this one is not 2026. Okay. Mine is 2022. Oh.
Yeah.
Yeah.
But the new ones are very tough to do.
Okay.
See that big windshield?
Which one? Oh, this one? Oh, this is the 2026 guys. Ito pala ang 2026. On call siya, on call kahit tinawagan ko na. But guys, this my friend here is on call. If you want windshield repair, he give me his contact information here. I'll give it to you guys. This one here. Yan, oh. Yan, tawagan nyo lang yan. Okay. You got it or you want help? You good? Natin kung paano niya discard yan. See, ganun oh. Meron siyang clamp doon. Meron din yatang ano, meron din yatang ito na yung ito yung akin guys ha.
पता कि वो लोड करता था ब्लाक का होने को बदलना टैक्सी उन्हें हाईवे से बता हो जाए मैं तो आज भी मैं था बता ठीक है
मैं जैसे जाना सीगा कि
यार उन्हें जाना टैक्सी वो
Kayang-kaya niya. Magaling. Okay. Ayos, sakto pa. Sakto pa yung ating ano, langis. Yan ang problema. Ayan, malaki ng tama. So what are you gonna do about the thing? The old one? You're gonna throw it out?
Yeah.
Okay.
I'm gonna dispose of it.
Dispose them? Oh, mayroon siyang tali ah. So you have rope ah. Okay, so hilahin niya. Oh, ang ano ng ano. Oh, it's easy peasy. You have technique, right?
Yeah.
That's how it is.
You from Manitoba?
Yeah, Winnipeg, Manitoba, yes. You have a lot of friends in Manitoba?
Oh, I used to live in Saskatoon.
Oh, okay. Saskatchewan? Okay.
It's snowing still there.
Yeah. It's very bad. The
There's a lot of storms, right?
So you fixing this?
Yep.
Okay. We're gonna make sure everything is tight in there. We don't wanna put we don't want the
I do like 5 of them a day.
A day you do 5 of them a day? You make money a lot.
I can even install like blindfold.
Oh, you can install it, you blindfold. Okay, that's what I like. Kayang-kaya na daw mag-install ng blindfold si Kuya Buddy. $280. Murang-mura na guys. Hindi pa ako umalis. Dito lang ako sa ano. Dito lang tayo sa truck stop. Nayari na. Okay, marami pa. Okay pa yan. Sa ilalim, make sure natin kung may naglilik. Wala, malinis sa ilalim ni Cordapia. Lilinisin na niya. Doon tayo sa loob. Open it! Anyo open? Nag-lock eh. Thanks. Okay, so this is the promising job with my friend. So if you guys want to call him, not even long. So kailangan may mga ano to pa, ito pa. Kailangan nakapasok ng maayos yan. Baka mamaya pumasok yung hangin ulan pag umulan. The problem if it did not get fixed, the water, right?
The water don't come in Volvos.
Huh?
The water don't come in Volvos.
Oh, the leak from water in outside did not come in there if you don't get fixed up. You gotta fix that properly.
They designed that way. They never leak.
Oh, they never leak. Oh, okay. Tapos na agad. Babalik ko na lang yung mga bagay-bagay. Tanggalin na lang niya yan. Bago na naman. I-install ko ito. Meron ako dyan eh. So dito ka lang muna. Kasi madadaanan naman ito eh. Mura na, 200 ano lang. $280 lang daw sabi niya. Ilagay natin lahat yan. Kailangan ko to. Can you move? Nasisira na pala yung aking ano. Papalitan ko na rin pati yan. Kasi tumatama na pala oh. Nasisira na.
You should change that.
Yeah, do you have?
Gonna scratch.
Yeah, I'm gonna buy new one and then I replace that. Otherwise it will scratch. Okay, you're done?
Yep.
Wow. Okay, give me the thing. You give me a receipt, okay?
Yeah. What's your number?
Hold on. $204
Yeah.
869
Yeah.
0196. Okay, so my phone. Alright, right here.
You need an invoice too?
What's that?
You need an invoice?
Yes. Yeah, so that I can.
Give me your company name on which you need invoice.
Oh yeah, Lakay Transport.
Can you text me?
Oh, that's it? Okay. I'll text you. Right there.
Where you from originally?
I am from Philippines. You?
Oh, India.
India, okay.
Is Manila nearby you?
Yeah, I was born in Manila.
Oh.
But when I was
Same
3,
like
I have
this,
to move. We have to move from Manila.
Oh, they say a lot of crime in Manila.
There is, yeah. There's a lot of crime. I will send you the money right away and then.
What's the unit number on this?
Ah,
Unit number?
2098.
2098.
Yeah,
Volvo.
yeah.
2022.
Bain L760.
But it's good money in Manila.
No, that's why we're here.
A lot of Indian is there.
I don't know. They
You see?
have pautang 5-6. You guys a lot of money and then you can just lend money in there 5-6.
I think there a lot of people do cloth works right there. It's true.
Clothing?
Clothing.
Yeah, I guess, yeah. Okay.
You know your email?
Okay. Okay, now let you go. Then stop.
Yep. No, it's sent.
Yeah, that's my YouTube channel. You can check in there too.
Yeah.
You can see your face later. I will upload it tonight.
Oh.
Okay, so send me the link or
I'll send you the
oh, you already have the okay. Yeah, I already have received. So 316 including the
HST.
GST?
Yeah.
Okay. So okay, so this is your okay, so HST is 36.40, so 316.40. Okay. So how do I pay? Review and pay, right?
I send you an email address.
Okay. Right now, text?
Yeah.
Okay. Interact, right? E-transfer with this?
Yeah.
Okay. Wait for it, okay? I-transfer natin itong ano. Give me a second, okay? I'll go to my online bank so that I will transfer the payment. Okay, so windshield replacement.
It's your own truck?
Huh?
You own this truck?
Yes. $316.10? 40.
40.
40, 306.4. 316.40. Okay, so there's a confirmation now.
Yeah, I got it.
You got it?
Yeah.
You received the money?
Yeah.
Okay, perfect. Yeah.
So you do the exercise too, gym too?
Yeah, I have a dumbbell here. Everything here. I have a
Because
dumbbell here. I
you-
just finished exercising when I see you doing your
Oh, no, because you look like from your legs you do lot of exercise.
yeah. You see
It's a running?
you see my calves.
It's running?
No,
Because of running or you do something
if I have
else?
if I'm home, I do
Yeah.
treadmill. If I'm here, exercise my whole full body every day.
It's because of diet or it's because
Of
of
course, diet too. You cannot just build muscle without dieting. Yeah. And you know, truck driver don't move too much. That's why I have to do this.
Yeah.
There's a lot of truck driver here. They're big, they're fat.
Yeah.
I'm 45 years old and
Yeah.
I feel like I'm fit. So
Yeah.
thank God. Alright.
Yeah.
Thanks, man. You're doing the thing. Okay. Have a best day, man.
Already.
Okay. So, tapos na. Basically, naipadala ko na. Email to email lang naman yan, guys. Bayad na. Tapos na. Saglitan lang. So, ang gagawin ko ngayon, next step is idikit ko na tong mga bagay na kailangan kong idikit. Bagong bago yung windshield ng Lakay Tracker o ng Cordapia. Ako na magsasarado nito. Baka tamaan pa ng ano eh. Kung may naiiwan pa dito, baka mamaya may pumasok, matamaan pa tong ano natin ng mga sasakyan, mga truck. Tapos na niya. Nag-i-exercise ba daw ako? Oo, nagbubuhat tayo. Hindi yan mawawala sa Lakay Tracker. Sa hita lang pala nalaman, naka-jacket na nga ako, guys, oh. Sa hita, sa calves oh. Muscle sa calves. Bihira yung magkaroon ng muscle sa calves ha. Yan oh. At anyway, tsaka na muna yan. Trabahuin natin itong mga dapat trabahuin. Ilagay ko na lahat itong mga dapat ilagay. Alright, so punasan natin to. Kasi hindi siya didikit pagka hindi maayos ang pagpunas mo eh. Ito, first thing first. Tapos ito, pagka dinidikit ko cellphone ko pagka nag-GPS ako. Dito sa gitna dito. Ito lang tayo. Madulas pa. Kuha tayo ng ano, yung basa pa eh. Sala, sablay. Hindi pwede. Punasan natin ulit hanggang sa matuyo ito. Ito madikit talaga ito guys, pero pag inano mo nito, tapos ka. Wala ka nang magagawa dyan kundi ngayon. Ito naman, kailangan kong tanggalin itong ipinadinikit ko dito. Saglitan lang naman to eh. Yan. Sabay kunin ko na yung mga ito. Pandikit. Yan. Tapos yung gunting. Kaya meron ako nitong mga ganitong klase ng mga Gorilla Glue na to. Kasi para dyan talaga yung mga yan guys. Ayan. You know what, lapit ko rito yung basurahan ko para sa ganun hindi na ako magkalat. Kawawalis ko lang to kasi katatapos ko magbuhat eh. Alright, raw vlog na to guys ha, at least kita pa paano. Tapos na yung ating problema dyan sa ano natin. Okay, so dito, dikit natin dito. Yan. Madikit yan guys, hindi yan basta matatanggal. Ito naman, dikit na rin ito. Sa gitna lang yan dapat. Kailangan ko tanggalin yung plastic kasi may plastic to eh. Yun. Yan. Now, para ito dito sa ating ano, sa gitna lang. Ito lang siya. Ayan, dito lang siya yan. Yan. Yan lang yan. Tapos ito. Alright, so yung aking dashcam, pit na yan. Ayan. Now, dikit natin ito. Dito ko dinidikit ito eh. Taas lang nito para hindi siya ano sa mata ko. Yan, tatanggal na yung tubig niyan kasi basa pa ng konti. Alright, dyan ka. Alright. Ayan. Ganyan lang siya. Hindi. Andyan lang. Okay. Next step is yung ito ko dikit ko dun sa dikit ko dun sa taas. Okay, so ganito kahaba. Gorilla to eh. Ito lang. Madikit na to. Make sure lang na hindi malaglag. Kung malaglag naman, wala naman pupunta niyan. Diyan lang naman sa dust pupunta. Okay, so tanggalin natin yung plastic. There you go. Tapos dito na sa taas to. Ganyan lang. Dito lang sa taas. Gitna lang. Okay na yan. Wala nang pupunta niyan. Dikit na yan. Yan ha. Check din natin baka mamaya hindi naman masyadong naipasok eh. Sabi niya hindi daw po napasok ng tubig ito. Bulbo daw hindi pinapasok. Ganun ba? Alright, so packing tip ko, which is yung packing tip ko is para dito kasi kailangan ko to. Okay, so ititip natin yung para makita nila mayroon tayong Ambassador Bridge Pass. Kailangan natin yung guys. Pag wala yan, wala na. Magkakaroon ka ng baka pakuhain ka pa ng bago. May bayad din yan eh. Simpleng dikit lang yan. Importante hindi matanggal. Yan lang sa gilid. Isa pa. Ito natin sa baba niya. Yan lang. Hindi naman interfere yan sa paningin ng tao eh. Paningin ng driver, kaya okay lang, ganyan lang. Plus ito para makita nila. Yan lang. Sa gilid din. Yan. CBS sticker natin. Yan. Alright. Ayan. Okay na yan. Alright. So mga ano ko ng tubig bumili. Naubusan na pala ako ng tubig ko. Malakas tayo sa tubig eh. Alright. Ito is dito lang. Tsaka ako na ikabit dyan. Okay. Okay. Yeah. Okay. Okay. Alright, so dyan yung cellphone ko. Oh. Yan. Yan. Okay. Alright. Oh, yan. Ayos na. Alright. So, pupunta ako doon sa likod. Tignan ko yung ano natin. Ating trailer natin, linisin natin kasi ano na tayo. No worries man, I'm doing a vlog so I'm talking to myself. Okay. Tingin na siya ng tingin eh, kala niya ano eh. Yan. Tignan natin kung gaano karumi at kung marumi talaga, magpapalinis ako, magpapahugas ako. Make sure lang natin kasi pupunta na tayo sa pick up eh. Oh. Kahoy lang. Buting ko lang yung mga kahoy. Okay na yan. Alright. Alright guys, so yan. Palamigin ko na. Oh, ito, delikado to. Putragis. Pako. Anak ng tipaklong pako. Huwag tayong magtapon dyan kasi yung mga ano eh, nagtatapon eh. Pre-call ko na, tapupunta na ako sa aking pipikapan kasi alas 5 yung pick up ko eh. Sakto, naabot pa tayo ng pagpapapalit. Basura natin. Huwag tayo magkalat kasi mahirap. Oh, may truck din oh. Magkaabang. Alright guys. Alright guys, ayan. Sa mga nagsasabing magpapalit na daw ako, ayan guys, at nakita nyo naman, inaano ko pa sana itong pagpapalit ko sa safety ng truck ko, which is August pa. Pero baka mamaya ay ma-pull over tayo at makita yan, mas mahirap. Ayan guys. So maraming salamat nga pala, no, sa walang sawa nyo pagsuporta at sa mga advice nyo sa mga vlog ko sa tungkol sa pag-owner operator. Big shout out sa inyong lahat, especially si John De La Torre, which is siya yung nagsabing maglagay ako ng injector clean na sa truck ko. Gumanda yung takbo niya kasi nalinisan. Sila yan ni Aaron na na kaibigan natin na owner operator. Guys, thank you for watching. Mag-ingat kayo lagi. Ayan, bago na yung windshield natin, malinis na malinis. I love you all guys. Peace out. Susunod na video vlog natin, pag nag-pick up ako, on the way tayo ngayon sa Nova Scotia. Alright. Bye guys. Love you all. Lakai Tracker.